You know, when you're at Vintage Computer Festival Midwest, this just seems out of place. This is a little too advanced for all those retro computers down there. We need something that's going to feel a little more at home. So guess what that is? We have the Atari Retro Play Watch. Check it out. We're going to unbox this bad boy right here. And again, I am at Vintage Computer Festival Midwest, and this just seems like the perfect accessory for the show. Let's open it up, see what's inside, and see what we get. First of all, let's read the back of the box. We have retro time, we have workout time, we have play time, we have the custom crown and button, that's really cool. We have the classic sound, and we have extra watch bands that came with this purchase. So I'm not sure I'll use this or if I'll use the originals. Probably will use the original, but it is nice that they send some extra watch bands. All right, let's open this guy up. I'm really excited about this because it's not just a watch, it plays games. This is hard to do when you're out and about and not at your own studio. All right, let's open her up. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, this says, scan for user's guide. So that tells me there's no user's guide inside. But it is gorgeous, folks. Look at this. It's got the wood grain. It looks like an Atari 2600. It's got the Atari 2600 little band right there. Oh, this is... Yeah, I'm not changing. There's no reason I would use this one. It's nice that it's included, but this is the band I want. This is going to turn a bunch of heads tomorrow. Copyright 2025. Look at this. Here's, oh, look on the back. Even on the back, there's Centipede right there. What, do we have anything down here? Oh, yes, it's the whole Centipede game on the back of the watch strap. I like the design. It's pretty big and bulky. Looks like our buttons here. This is, of course, push. And it also turns. Oh, I think it just turned on. Let's see what happens. Let's see if there's anything in. Oh, you know what? I think I need to take this off. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. So when you turn it on, it boots right up to the Atari screen. Let's go ahead and it looks like I'll do this. Set up for the user's manual. We've seen that in the box. All right, so we do need to set it up manually. Let's see, this is September. Now, I'm horrible at dates, so let's see, the 12th. Let's go ahead and put the 12th on there. This is old school setup. I kind of like this. This is like setting a watch, right? And it is 2025. Let's do next. It's 2007. It's closer to 08 now, I'm sure. So we'll go ahead and do that. There we go. Fitness goal, steps. Let's do, I like to do 10,000. I'll easily make that here at Vintage Computer Festival Midwest. Save. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I really like that. That looks good. Very cool. Let's hit our little button here and see what happens. Here's our actions. We have clock, alarm, timer, stopwatch, calendar, calculator, and here's our settings. Here's our game options right here. Look at this. Super breakout, centipede, control sensitivity. That's nice. Can change that. So those are the three games that we have. We'll figure out how to do that here in just a minute. Now we know now to press to go back. That's nice. Battery, we're at 62%. Gonna figure out how to charge this thing here in just a minute. We'll figure that out. The date right here. There we go. We can change that if we need to. The time, power. What's power? You can restart and power down. Okay, that's nice. Our fitness, we've already set that. Now, can I swipe back? No, I have to use the back button. Okay. Brightness, there you go. We could save the battery if we want to do that. Volume, we can crank up that volume. Can we use our little wheel? Yes, we can. Oh, there you go, sound. Nice. Let's go back. Vibration sensitive, or vibration alerts, there we go, we have that. What else do we have? Wake. So raised awake. So the screen will go off and then when we lift it, it'll wake up. So we don't have to press a button to do that. That's nice. There's that user's manual again and then about. And there you go, version 1.03. Interesting. I wonder if you can actually update the firmware of this. I would assume maybe you can. I don't know how we would do that, but that's interesting. We can look at that in some other video if there is a firmware upgrade. So let's go back to our main screen. I do like the screen. There's our heart rate. So it does check your heart rate. Here's our steps. Calories, super breakout. So centipede, oh, these are your high scores. That's kind of cool. Check that out. So it's going to save your high scores for your games. Oh, let's turn that back on. Missile command, we can play missile command. Pong, Centipede. Oh, there's more games. Super Breakout. So if you go backwards, then you can get those games. Let's try Pong. Let's play. Oh my goodness, this is going to be difficult. That wheel is a little hard, people. Oh. There we go. Oh, missed it. Now, can I control it? I cannot. You have to use the wheel. Well, this is a little work. I can get used to this. Oh, let's go ahead and go back. Exit game, exit. Let's take a look at what else is on here. Centipede. Wait, was Pong the first one? Missile Command was the first one, I believe. Yes, let's try Missile Command, see what that looks like. How do you even do that? Tap to fire. Oh, tap to fire. Now I like this. This interface works for me. So there's Missile Command. That's fun. That's a lot of fun. Let's see, Centipede. How are we going to play Centipede? Oh. So it's constantly firing, and then you use this controller right here to move it up, down, and around. Oh, there you go. So they have different control mechanisms based on the game. That's kind of good. I like that. And then the last game is Super Breakout. This should be easy. This is probably going to be this again. Yeah, got to get used to this. Oh, I will say that needs a little work. Maybe there's a firmware update that works that. Although there is the game sensitivity. I do remember that, right? So that we can change that sensitivity. So I may work with that. Now there is a button over here on the side. Looks like we can exit the game. What happens if I press it again? Takes us back through. Okay. So one press gives us our time. Another press gives us our game, so we can get directly to those. So that's our game activation. What I don't know is if we can change the look. I don't think we can change the look of the face. Let's see, is there any kind of swipe down? Oh, there we go. Swipe down. Oh, look at that. It looks like the joystick. Very nice. Swipe down again, we get a little Centipede. Swipe down, we get Missile Command. Super Breakout. I like that. Now, is it up the same thing? Yeah. So those are your watch faces, folks, right there. That one's kind of cool. That's cool. But I got to tell you, I like this one. That one has a cool retro vibe. That's what I'm going to be using for Vintage Computer Festival Midwest. Let me see if I can figure out how we charge this. It does look like it has a pogo pin here. Let's see if we have something in here. Let's look under the box here. Oh, look at this. We actually have another strap. Look at this. So we have 1, 2. This is a nice strap too. Look at this. This is pretty cool. I like this strap too. And again, these are those quick release straps, so it's going to be easy to swap those out if I want to do it. Here is our charging cable right here. So there you go. It looks like standard. I'll probably go ahead and charge this overnight to make sure I have 100%, and then I can find out how long the battery is going to last. So let's see how this works. And boom, perfect. So it will not go, there's only one way. You can see the magnets are such that it won't let you put it in reverse polarity. So that's nice. So you put it like that, plug her in, and charge her up. Very, very nice. Let's see what it looks like on my wrist, folks, because my Pixel watch is not what I'm going to be wearing during Vintage Computer Festival Midwest. It is the Atari 2600 watch. Strap is new, so it's going to take a little time to work that out, but there you go. Look at that. Oh, yep, there you go. So came right on when I did the tilt to look. Very cool. There you go. Let's try that again. There you go. I like it. There is your look and unboxing at the Atari Retro Play watch. I'm a fan. Now, obviously, it's not going to be as full featured as this, but for fun events, this is going to be a talking point, I'm sure. This will be a good conversation starter. People are going to see this and go, what are you wearing? All right, folks, that is, again, your look at the Atari Retro Play watch. Hope you enjoyed that video. That's it for me. Retro Combs out. By the way, if you like this watch, check out this playlist for other cool game devices that I have and videos on the channel.